Hi, my name is Allison Vine and I'm representing Team Scrumbags, and I am going to show you our attendance tracking app PawPrint. So here's our homepage of our interface showing all of the details of the homepage. And if we go into students, we can see a list of students we have. By clicking on a student, we are able to see the student details and the enrollments, which is the classes that they are enrolled in, and their attendance data. So in order to make a new enrollment to enroll a student in a new class, we can click New Enrollment and click the courses, and here's a list of courses, and just click one and save it, and they can be enrolled in a new class. If we go to Courses and we click on a specific course, we can see the course details and the class roster, or the enrollments in the class, the students' names, and the different sessions or the different dates that this class has taken attendance for. In order to create a new session, we can go click the New Session button, and we have the course name, and we can select a date, and that would be the day that attendance is being taken. So here we are in our session for April 21st, and we have our list of students and all of the details for the students. We have it automatically checked as present, and in order to update this, we can click the Update button. And here's where we can mark a student excused and add a little note. And the absent button is supposed to be over here too. It got moved over here, but it's an easy way to update each student. In order to go back, you just click the session name again. And that is how we take attendance. So I want to show a few reports, and by showing reports, we can click this Reports tab. I already have a few loaded because sometimes they take some time to load. So this is our first report. This shows each student's name and the courses that they could be enrolled in, and it shows their number of excused absences and unexcused absences, and it totals them by student and by class, which is pretty nice. Here's another report that shows each student's name and class, and it shows each individual date to show if a student was present or absent. In order to export a report in these details, we can go to Export Details, and we can export a report this way using a Excel or a CSV file. I already have one of those downloaded also, just to save time. Here's the report downloaded, and you can easily use filters to check only one person or two students and whether they were present or not, and so on. Going back to our app, we want to also be able to import data, and in order to do that, we can click this arrow over here and just simply import data. And this is an easy step-by-step to import a Excel sheet or a CSV file. Takes a little time to load. And now I want to show you our community. This is our app interface that we designed. Both interfaces do the same thing. This community builder interface just allows us to make it look nicer. So in community builder, we have the same thing: students, enrollments, attendance, and you can add everything in very similar ways. The reason this interface isn't the only one we use is because in order to make export and import roster and updating attendance work, you have to use some Apex coding, and our group didn't have time to learn Apex and incorporate that into this specific interface, so we have it done on the other interface, basically. And yeah, that is our demonstration. Thank you.